These cement plant videos are going absolutely viral right now. This page gained over 72,000 followers in just 8 posts, and one video crossed 60 million views. Then I checked another Instagram page, and their video crossed 10 million views. And the exact same video on YouTube crossed 14 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting right now. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for DIY Cement Planter and click on the first result. Open the GPT and it will ask you to choose your desired character. You can upload your own character or simply click on Use My Own Reference Character. Now it will ask you 3 things: the planter location, the planter setup, and the planter color. Just enter the number of the idea you want for each one. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will provide you 11 complete scene prompts, including both image and video prompts for every single scene. Everything you need is right here in one go. Now copy image prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow. Click on the add option and upload your reference character first. This is what keeps your character looking exactly consistent throughout every scene. Now click on your image, select the image option, make sure your desired settings are turned on, paste image prompt 1 and hit enter. In seconds, Google Flow will generate the first image scene for your video with exact character consistency. Now let's convert this image into video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 1. Click on the image, click the 3 dots, choose animate, make sure your desired settings are turned on, paste the video prompt in, and hit enter. Your first video scene will be ready in seconds. Now repeat the exact same process for all the remaining prompts. But here is something very important you have to be careful about. Before you start generating each scene, read the prompt carefully first. Pay close attention to which image needs to be used as the start frame and which as the end frame. For example, in the third prompt, ChatGPT gives you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. So you have to use the last image you generated as the reference image, create the new image using the same method, and then, when generating the video, choose the last image as the start frame and the new image as the end frame, exactly as written in the prompt. Read every prompt carefully before generating so you do not miss any scene or get the sequence wrong. This one step is what makes your final video flow naturally from start to finish. When all your scenes are generated successfully, download all of them one by one. Open any video editor you like, combine all the clips in sequence, and remove any unwanted parts. Increase the video speed where it feels necessary and make sure your final video timing is around 30 to 40 seconds. This is the perfect length for shorts and reels. Scale all clips up slightly to hide the VO watermark and hit export. Your viral cement plant video is completely ready to post. The process is right here. All you have to do is start. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.